Are you tired of dealing with stubborn acne that just won't go away? Do you want clear, smooth, and glowing skin without spending a fortune on skincare products? Well, you're in luck, because today, I'm going to share with you a powerful juice recipe that can help you achieve acne-free skin naturally. 1. Acne is a common skin condition that can be caused by various factors such as hormonal imbalances, diet, stress, and genetics. It can be frustrating and often affects our confidence and self-esteem. 2. The key to achieving clear skin lies in maintaining a healthy diet and lifestyle. By nourishing our bodies with the right nutrients, we can promote skin health from the inside out. 3. This powerful juice recipe is packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that are known to benefit the skin. Not only will it help clear up acne, but it will also give you a radiant complexion. 4. Let's talk about the ingredients you'll need for this acne-fighting juice. A. Carrots, rich in beta-carotene, which helps reduce inflammation and promote healthy skin cell production. B. Spinach, high in vitamins A and C, which aid in skin repair and rejuvenation. C. Cucumber, hydrating and cooling. Cucumber helps flush out toxins and reduce blemishes. D. Lemon, a natural astringent that cleanses the skin from within and brightens the complexion. E. Ginger, anti-inflammatory and antibacterial. Ginger helps combat acne-causing bacteria. 5. Follow these simple steps to make the acne-fighting juice. A. Wash and chop the carrots, spinach, cucumber, and ginger. B. Add the ingredients to a juicer and blend until smooth. C. Squeeze in the lemon juice and stir well. D. Pour the juice into a glass and enjoy immediately for maximum freshness and benefits. 6. Make it a daily habit to incorporate this powerful juice into your skincare routine for best results. You'll notice clearer, healthier skin in no time. So, if you're ready to say goodbye to acne and hello to radiant skin, give this powerful juice recipe a try. Remember, clear skin starts from within, so nourish your body with the right nutrients and watch your complexion transform. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more skincare tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.